Alright, time check guys. So we have here January 1. Focus. January 1, 9:02 a.m. 2026. Wala akong camera tricks na ginawa dyan. So, today I wanna vlog my annual Tagaytay Starbucks trip. So usually, I think I started this tradition around maybe 5 years ago, parang ganun. Ay, basta after pandemic ata to. Or during the pandemic 2021, mga ganun, I'd like to say. I did this before kasi sabi ko, I had the time to myself, January 1st. Wala akong masyadong ginagawa and I've never really done things on my own a lot. Simply because growing up, lagi ako may mga kasamang tropa. Lagi nila akong inaaya. And then, isa sa mga instigator ng gala, one of my good friends, Roldan, may he rest in peace, passed away 2026. So since then, wala na akong hindi na ako masyadong, syempre lahat naman tayo, matanda, and everybody grows apart. The friend group that I had, at I still have naman, mga high school friends. Syempre, nagpamilya na lahat. May mga anak na rin sila. Yung iba, wala rin. Pero, of course, they're trying to build their own families and whatnot. So, nagpo-focus na rin sila sa buhay nila. So, there comes a time, siguro sa inyo, mga nanonood, and everybody else na they're trying to figure out their own life. Ang ingay ng LRT. Wait lang. So, yun. So, as I was saying, ingay kasi ng LRT, sorry. So everybody just grew up and then of course they're trying to have their family of their own. Hindi mo naman sila masisisi. And I'm just there. You know? So I said, why not try to ride out na mag-isa? Why not try to ride out and go to places and make my own tradition? So I started around 2021, sabi ko, it was a New Year's Day. Ganito rin. Sabi ko I was talking to someone, sabi ko, I think I wanna go to Tagaytay. I wanna go to Tagaytay mag-isa. Sabi niya, why not? Go. Just go. And then I did. Parang 2 p.m. ako umalis doon. Nakarating ako doon na. It took me 2 to 3 hours. Kasi bayan-bayan lang yun. Naka-RFI ako na Rusi scooter. It took me 2 to 3 hours. And then nag-chocolateria ako. I enjoyed my time and enjoyed my ride. Then umuwi na rin ako agad. And then I did, the years after that, maaga na ako umaalis. Actually, usually umaalis ako around 6, 7 a.m. Then mga ganitong oras, pabalik na ako ng Manila. Now, the thing is, this year, nakabukod kasi ako ngayon sa family ko. And right now, may mga kasama ata ako. I'm not really sure. Kasi nagsabi sila gusto nila sumama, but I don't know. Kasi 9 a.m. naka-out ko lang sa trabaho. Okay, so ngayon pa lang ako naalis. So I already prepared prior to logging out. And then gonna head out. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you more stories. I'm gonna tell you more things on like my rides throughout the year. I'm gonna give you guys an update on what's happening with the channel itself, also and our plans. But then I'm gonna see you guys later. Ciao. taga-Tar. Alam nyo to. O rather, mga taga-Malate. Alam nyo to. Saan to? January 1. Parang pinaulanan tayo ng biyaya. Pero in all fairness, nung December 25, inulan din naman ako. Medyo ambon lang yon. Ito, binuhos talaga. Ayan, dito tayo. Taas yan. Hindi yan nakita. Alam niyo, sa pagbaba ko, Michelle, yung parking ko kasi, medyo malayo. Nandun sa may kabilang street. Kasi yung condo. Kasi yung parking dito sa loob eh. Ubus na raw. Tapos ang mahal, 6K ata. Bukod pa. O 6 o 7K. Bukod pa yung ano dun. Juice, monthly juice. Doon na lang ako, mas mura din sa parking ko. Lagi rin may bantay. Kaya, yun ako. Patayin ko na itong camera. Ayun na lang. Naabot tayo. Ng tupaw. Ito. Simbasalo ko loob. Kaya, yung kapote natin. Hindi ko nagamit. Talo kasi sa kahon. Isa kala ko. Diyan. Di lalakas yan. Ba? Pangalawang tuloy, lumakas. Tingnan ko. Jesus! Abot tayo ng ulan, John. January 1. Pinaunanan tayo ng biyaya. Alright, so, sabi ko kanina, rather this morning, kukwento ko sa inyo yung mga plano for the channel and then yung mga naging rides ko within the year. So, masaya naman yung naging rides ko within the year. Marami akong mini rides na hindi naman mini siya talaga ako totoo siya. Major rides na rin siya for me. Pero most ng biyahe namin within the years within the south. Pabalik-balik kami sa DNJ Lomi House. So, DNJ, solid kayo. Nung una namin punta doon, wala pa swimming pool ngayon. May swimming pool na. It's really nice. Siguro, maliit lang yung pool ngayon. Tinetesting pa ata nila yung testing the waters or whatever. Pero, nag-enjoy talaga kami umakyat baba ng Batangas. Or rather, Tagaytay Talisay Road. It really is fun. Yung isang kaibigan namin na nagkalisensya na he exceeded my expectations. Kinaya niya yung paangat. So, of course, scooter yun. RFI siya na bago. It's great, it's great. He's really good now. So, I'm happy about that. Now, within the year, medyo we came in hot early this year with the content. Ang dami naming lists and whatnot. But I ultimately decided to slow down kasi I was looking for work. Simply because na-aksidente kami. Na-aksidente ako noong February. Nabangga yung sasakyan ko. Nag-gig kami ng banda kong Radyang sa Baguio, February. Binangga kami ng underage, under the influence, so lasing, walang helmet, walang lisensya, walang rehistro ng motor. Sira yung condenser, sira yung radiator, lahat. Tapos napaso pala yung insurance ko. So, sa lahat ng mga nakasasakyan dyan, make sure, pag babiyahe kayo ng malayo, may insurance kayo. Comprehensive, hindi TPL. So, naawa na lang din ako kasi nakiusap yung nanay at saka yung tsahin sa akin. Walang-wala sila. Nagbigay sila at least 10, 15,000 ewan. Pero total damage is 77. So, swerte ako na pinihiram ako ng tropa. Napagawa ko yung sasakyan, nakauwi kami. Pero wala nga akong work at the time. So, maghanap ako ng work. I stopped making content in YouTube and everywhere else. Kasi I was looking for it. Awa naman ng Diyos, nakahanap tayo ng trabaho around July. And then, paid off na yung utang ko dun sa kaibigan, sa vocalista Oregoy. Thank you very much. And then, sa mga tumulong, sila Wally, our drummer, nag-abot siya ng pang-tow, pang-tulong ba, which is, I'm very thankful. And then, dami. Yun yung talagang binuhat ko within the year. I'm good now. And the channel, since nung na-monetize kami around, October, mga ganun. We've been trying to formulate on how to, what to post. And yung content ba na papatok ba. Hindi pa kami sure kung ano talaga, pero this is probably the start of, just posting things. And then, finding out what would work. Ganun naman talaga eh. I want to review motorcycles. And I want to review more cars, specifically electric vehicles na may nakausap na kami sa yung BYD. our good friend si Ali Rapadas, nagkaroon na raw siya ng benta from our videos, which is good. So please check it out, yung mga BYD videos natin sa YouTube channel. And then also, he told me that within this year, yung mga, since nga katulong ako sa kanya, he's gonna invite me sa mga launches. So watch out for new BYDs this year. Sasama daw tayo ni Sir Ali, which is, I'm very thankful for. And then, tatry ko rin nag-try na kami mag-reach out to other EVs. Pero the most promising one is VinFast. So, I might swing by soon. Within probably the next week or two, nadaan na ako doon. Bumabelo lang talaga ako. And then, when it comes to motorcycles naman, I'm gonna focus on kung ano yung mga, siguro motor muna na nasa paligid ko. Yung mga, siguro kayo, yung mga viewers, kung gusto nyo ipa-review yung motor niyo, I am very much happy to oblige you. And rather, kung willing kayo na magkita tayo sa isang lugar, and then shoot lang natin, test ride ko lang saglit, just to get an initial impression. Kasi wala naman akong contact sa mga, mga big time na kasas and makers. I'll try to do my best. Pero then again, that's the only way na naiisip ko is sa mga tropa muna, sa mga kaibigan nating willing magpahiram, which is katulad ng mga first few videos na na-post na natin. When it comes to cars, siguro ganun din. But then again, kasi sa kotse mas madali. Mas madali na mag-request ng test drive tapos we're gonna shoot. Also, kaya hindi rin kami nag-post ng marami within the year, or rather, even after we got auditized. Just nag-invest na rin ako ng gamit, just like this camera. So we got this Osmo Action 4. I know, meron ng Action 6, pero kalalabas-labas lang ng 6 eh. Kuha ko to, wala pa yung 6. And then, yung 5 naman, masyadong mahal and I don't think I would need. Same sensor lang naman sila eh, so I don't think I need yung features ng 5. So I got 4 lang. Also, mas pasok siya sa budget. Now, what else can we do sa Velvet Pancake Media? I think we're gonna add more vlogs. Yung mga rides namin. I'm gonna do more when it comes to like recording stuff and kasi kahit gusto kong kunan lahat, medyo nakukornehan ako sa sarili ko. But I think I have to do it since I'm planning to make content more. So, yun na talaga siguro. Wala namang kailangan nating, we have to defeat, or rather, we have to somehow convince ourselves na we're doing this. We need to try. At least, we need to give this like a very good college try. Yung talagang solid na subok naman. Hindi yung subok na ewan lang. Might as well, di ba? Nandito na rin tayo and life is too short for, regrets and not doing things that might have worked, So, I said, yeah, why not? So, si Editor Julius natin, he's quite ready. He's been asking for content. It's just me, yung nahihirapan mag-isip right now. But I think throughout the past few weeks, I've been thinking, magandang gawin, blah, blah, blah. But right now, somehow, yung ride kanina, it gave me the time to, think. And that's what rides are for, Kasi work from home ako ngayon. So, hindi ako talaga nakakalabas. And, naka-manual ako. Kaya gusto ko talaga ng manual eh. Kasi wala kang ibang iisipin. So, focus ka sa kalsada. And it gave me a little bit of time to think, ano kaya yung mga pwede kong gawin. And ito, nasabi ko na sa inyo yung mga plano ko. Now, it all boils down to how and when I'm gonna execute it. So, I plan that within the next 2 weeks, since malapit-lapit lang naman yung mga electric vehicle dealers dito, I'm gonna go to their casas and showrooms. Kasi ganun lang yung ginawa namin sa BYD. Kinapalan lang namin yung mukha namin. Honestly, yung sa BYD, una talaga namin pinuntahan was Toyota. Kasi nag-post kami sa YouTube na parang, ano yung gusto nyong brand na unang gusto nyong i-review namin. Then overwhelming, it was Toyota and then Mitsubishi. Nag-contact kami sa Mitsubishi at the time. So kaya, nakakuha pa kami ng video sa mga Mitsubishi models now. Pero umalis na rin siya agad kaya hindi na kami nakapag-test drive. Now the thing is, tinaboy kami sa Toyota kasi nagpunta kami sa Toyota yung hapon talaga yung may-ari dito sa may Manila Bay. Yung agent was very very nice. He showed me Or rather, he put me on the path na parang, or rather, sabi niya, dito kayo pumunta sa Alabang, sa ganito ganyan, mas pumapayag to, family owned, puntahan nyo to, hanapin nyo tong agent na to, papayag yan. So we were gonna go there na, after kaming hindi which is totally understandable kasi syempre, sarili sila marketing team and whatnot. Now, ang sabi ko naman kasi sa Toyota, hindi naman kami maniningil, ex-deal lang, contacts nyo, papakita ko lahat. Gusto nyo kayo pa magsalita. Gusto ko lang talaga magkaroon ng B-roll. Kasi di ka naman makakakuha ng B-roll kung hindi ka magpapaalam, di ba? So, okay na sa agent. But then again, the management said no. Again, it's alright. No blood, no foul. Tapos nung papunta na, nag-isip na ako, sige tara, na tayo, mag-Alabang na tayo, Skyway na tayo. Tapos, naisip ko, teka, may BYD somewhere here sa Makapagal. You know, might as well. Let's drop by because I've been interested in BYDs and hybrids, electric vehicles. Na, pagdating namin doon, they're very much open. Sabi ko, sino po pwedeng kausapin na agent? Kasi may YouTube channel kami. Gusto namin sana kodan kayo. Kumuha ng unting B-roll. And then sabi nila, okay, no problem, pwede yan dito. And then si Ali Rapadas, yung unang-una namin nakausap. And then he was very, very accommodating. He's a very good salesman then. Honestly, when pina-test drive niya sa akin lahat, ora mismo, yung lahat ng unong meron doon, then pina-test drive niya sa akin yung pure EV, the fastest car that they have. Grabe yun, man. I think it was the BYD Seal. Nakalimutan ko yung model. I'll just show on the screen. Parang nasa 2.5 million yung model na yun. And it felt great driving. Parang grabe. There's luxury within the interior. Mararamdaman mo high quality materials. And then the performance itself was great. Now, the only thing about BYD is they're yet to prove themselves when it comes to longevity. Now, may mga BYD Dolphin na before na 3-5 years na daw within sa market na. Ang pinalitan ng pang-ilalim, goma, maintenance is not that bad. Sabi nila sa akin. But of course, I wish BYD well. Kasi they're the first ones who really gave us a shot. And I still want to check out more BYD stuff. So that is one of the goals this year, to cover more BYD exclusive content. Kasi I have faith within the brand itself. Okay, so but of course, I do want to try others para magkaroon tayo ng comparison, di ba? Hindi naman kasi maganda na may monopoly lang. So kailangan maganda sa market talaga na maraming competition. Tayo yung makikinabang doon. Diba? Bahala sila na mag-lower ng prices, magpaganda ng features, habang mas mura. Diba? Tayo makikinabang doon. And then, basta, I'll talk about BYD cars and their products soon in a separate video. But then again, this is just, catch-up vlog. So, ayun, January 1st, a very eventful first day of the year. Ramdam ko na kaninang umaga uulan eh. I saw the sky this morning. Sabi ko, parang medyo alangan dito sa Maynila. Buti na lang sa Cavite, sa Etibac, medyo maaraw-araw. Pero grabe kasi sa Santa Rosa, Laguna Road ako dumaan eh. Galing akong Calax. Santa Rosa, Tagaytay Road pala. Sorry. Parang nakabukas yung aircon. Sabi ko, grabe yung lamig. Makapal-kapal ng jacket ko eh. Well, I did have fun today. Nagkita kami ng isang kaibigan dun sa Starbucks. Again, going back dun sa sinasabi ko kanina umaga, I was, throughout the years, I was trying out things alone. Because I've always had friends with me. Na, tara, alis tayo, ganito, ganyan. Pero natututunan ko na rin, masarap din pala mag-solo ride. And, but I'm very much thankful sa mga kaibigan ko na, Sir, sama ako, kaibigan mo naman ako. Problema. But, masarap magmotor din mag-isa pa minsan. Masaya pag marami kasi kakulitan ka, kakambayan ka doon. Pero kapag mag-isa ka, very solemn, mag-isa ka sa daan, that's the thing eh. Pag na-addict tayo sa social media, na-addict tayo sa games or whatever, hindi na tayo nakakapag-isip eh. Kasi nga, laging preoccupied yung isip natin. So, if I were you guys, give yourself some time off games, gadgets, and whatnot, and maybe think ano kaya ang pwede kong gawin na somewhat productive, not just consume social media and or digital media or games or whatever, di ba? Well, games, digital media rin naman yun. But then again, yun lang naman. So, I hope you guys would like this. This is part 2 na of the January 1st vlog. Okay, see you guys soon. I hope I could vlog more. Akapalan ko yung mukha ko. I think I like this. I think I like talking to the camera although kasi may gamit na at the very least. Mas madali na. Kasi before, yung DSLR lang. Yung DSLR, laki na kayo. Siseta ko na lang. Salamat din pala sa kaibigan ko si Apin. Niharam niya sa akin ng matagal yung DSLR niya. Pero ang hirap kasi setup. Battery, is ubos, may limit na 30 minutes, tapos, basta. But the quality is superb. Now, with the Action 4, I could do it much quicker. And, kumbaga yung ease of use. Time din na, it's less time consuming in a way. So, I believe I could produce more content within the year. Alright? So, that is all for me today. I'll see you guys soon. More videos of cars and motorcycles, of course. And more vlogs. Alright? See you guys. Bye-bye.